The reports of people fighting and children dying in Ukraine may trigger additional anxiety for many of us. We are dealing with a pandemic, inflation, and a pain at the pump, which has turned into a pain in our assets. So the refrain might be, "This too? A war?" Additional stress and sadness are normal reactions here. This is hard to watch, a country and beautiful cities being shelled by tyranny. Acknowledge that this new living room war adds stress to your life. You could be a trauma survivor yourself who is being triggered. You could be pregnant and wondering if you will bring a child into a more dangerous world. Be selective on how much you watch and limit your intake. A recent podcast by Vox's Today Explained called "What Do Russians Think of Putin's War?" can be helpful. When you become enraged by Kremlin statements and reports by state-sponsored media, remember that these messages are not intended for you. They are intended for a Russian audience. Russian state-sponsored media has been told to call this incursion a special operation, not a war. Take a moment to read and understand the history of this area of the world. This can add perspective. Remember what you have gone through since March of 2020 and the resilience you have built. Talk to someone if you are struggling. You may discover very quickly that you are not alone in your feelings. If you want to suck more air out of that helplessness balloon, get involved. Hang a Ukrainian flag in front of your home or wear your message on your heart. What about looking for ways you can donate to Ukrainian citizens or refugees? We have had a very difficult 2 years. It's easy to focus on pain, suffering, and political divisiveness. It took a conflict a world away to remind us that in this corner of the globe, despite our differences, we are the same in recognizing injustice, uniting in one voice, and finding hope. I'm Bill Prasad, your mental health and wellness expert.